Hey guys, welcome back. This is AjaxG here with another video. So today we got the Galaxy S21 Plus. I know a lot of people have been doing videos on this, but not a lot of people have been doing videos on this color, okay? I have the Phantom Red Edition, all right? So I pre-ordered it from Samsung, got the promotion. So, I didn't pay full price for this. I didn't, but I got the review for you guys. So, let's get into this. All right, I got the 128 gig model because Ajax is a brokey, and I already have the iPhone 11. You know what? Let's do this. There we go. This is the phone. All right. Let's see how it. Ooh, that red is beautiful, guys. That red is beautiful. All right, so I'm recording this on my Galaxy S10e, okay? So I wanted to compare this with the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Galaxy S10 just so you guys can see the size comparison. But this is a really nice color. And I don't think the indoors does it justice, so I will have a video clip of this outside. All right. Look at this. You see me? Merch in the description. All right. Let's turn this on. All right. So just so you guys know the specs, I'm going to put it up here on the screen for you guys. Okay, this has 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's 128 gigabytes. Has 5G, and this has the Snapdragon 888 in it. All right, so this chip is amazing. So I'm gonna put my stuff in, and then I will be right back so we can go through the operating system quickly, just so you guys can see how it runs. Do a quick comparison against the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Show some videos, show some pictures. And you guys let me know if this is something that you may want to pick up. All right, guys, and we back in. So I finally transferred everything over. It took a little while. Yes, so this is my screensaver, as y'all can see, but this phone is beautiful. Such a nice phone. And I don't know if this camera is doing it justice, but yeah. And, I was like, oh, after I got the phone, I'm like, man, this shit is light, okay? Like, look how thin this shit is. All right, so this is the Galaxy S21 Plus, and this is the iPhone Pro Max. Okay, it's the 12. All right, as you can see, got the navy. I got the MKBHD skin on it, but you can see the differences of the red. This is like a light red. This is like a dark, deep red. I really like it, and it has a nice gold trim. So all that comes in the box is the charging wire, which is USB-C to USB Type-C. Which kind of sucks because I haven't updated my phone since the Galaxy S10. So I'm going to get a new brick for that. But the fun thing is I have the 21 watt charger for this phone. So I can just charge this phone with that phone. So, okay. I miss my beautiful fingerprint reader. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't even know. Like, fingerprint reader on deck. Okay. So I just want to show how Instagram looks on these two phones side by side. It's just a quick unboxing. Nothing I'm gonna double tap it on this one. Okay. So just so you can see how they look side by side. I mean, I don't know if the camera does it justice. I like my phone stupid bright, like, cause I'm blind. So I like to put the phone on like 100. So I'm about to put them both on 100%. This is 100% brightness for both devices, okay? So this is how they look side by side. It's nice, beautiful, full screen. I don't gotta worry about that George Jefferson forehead. Okay. One thing I do like about the Galaxy that I just want to point out, because I don't know if you can do it with the iPhone. Let me see. Oh yes, you can. Look at that.
Oh my God.
This is beautiful. But on this one, the sound starts. This one, let me see. No sound. And this one plays the sound. Yeah, so that was me streaming the other day. But yes, this was just a quick unboxing. I wanted to show you guys how this phone looked, the color, because everyone had the purple one or the black one or the white one. So for those of you that wanted to wait for the red one and you're like, oh, I just want to see, this is a really nice red color. I still have the little, not really screen protector, but the screen film on it. And I just want to show you a case that I got for it. And then that's it for the video. Alright, so we got a Spigen case. Okay, because usually I do like a full, breakdown. But because, I'm a little late in the game, just wanted to show you a quick unboxing. So this is the case that I got. I got a Spigen case. Alright, nice hard shell with a kickstand. You know I love my kickstands. This is the S10. Okay, just so you can see side by side. It is not that much bigger, which is really great. So I really appreciate that. My S10 is going to my mom's. Alright. Love my clear cases. So I can show off the color of the phone. This is really nice. Oh my goodness. Let me put it on one side. There we go. And that's how you do. Alright, so this is the red version. The Spigen case I'll leave in the comment section down below. And, of course, we had to get the phone. You can get it off Amazon, actually. It's a little cheaper. It's been going on and off sale, so that's even better. Got a discount for trading in phones and for being a educator. So that rocks. And the buttons work. The only thing I don't like is that the sound buttons are on the right. The volume rocker. See, the volume rocker was on the left, so that's going to be something to get used to. Even with the iPhone, it's on the left. Like, this is killing me. But it's alright. So, this is the red version. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to pick one up, definitely go out and get one. HXG, out.